The clients came to us here and they wanted to grow their own vegetables and fruit. And on this property we decided to place them right here with the driveway because it has a lot of good sun, which is your number one thing to grow a veggie garden. Also it's a little tucked away, which is also good since a vegetable garden is kind of seasonal and not always that pretty. So we did these raised planters, and they are about 4 by 8 big, which is a good size because you can reach it from all sides. The raised beds are made of red wood, and then we did decomposed granite around it because it's easy to keep clean. And then around the driveway on both sides, we framed it with these espaliered fruit trees. So we made these kind of fences with stainless steel wires that the fruit trees are trained on. And over time, they're gonna fill in pretty well. And a couple of good things with espaliered fruit trees are they doesn't take up much space. I mean, just a narrow surface and you can have room for one. And also, since you train the branches down like that, they bear fruit earlier.